Hi, I'm Jean Groesbeck with Compass Real Estate and Jean Groesbeck and Associates. I'm here today at 5232 Island View Way in Bow, Washington. What I love best about this home is the fact that it has so many potential uses. The main residence is custom constructed and it has main level living. It has also a detached garage for 3 cars with a mother-in-law, 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment above it, and then it has a huge RV garage. The main residence does also have a 2-car attached garage. This home works for anyone, no matter what stage of life. We hope you enjoy the tour. The main residence of this home has main level living, so it does allow someone to age in place. It's on a large corner lot. It's over 5 acres. It has not only the master suite, kitchen, and utility room on the main level, but it also has a den and an office. It has an open floor plan, and it does have a large dining room for entertaining if that's what you would enjoy doing. The upper level of the home does have huge loft space, which is a big bonus room. This home has plenty of storage. In addition to the attached garage, there is a detached garage with a great mother-in-law apartment above, which can be rented out or great for guests because they also have a phenomenal view from their private deck. This home has easy I-5 access. It has lots of possibilities, or move in now as it's spotless and ready for the new owner.